The subject of today's video is how to get verified on Threads. Let's have a look. Activate your Threads account. Install the app from the Google Play Store on an Android smartphone if there isn't one already, then create an account. If you have an iPhone, you must go to the App Store. I'll demonstrate the quickest methods to get verified Threads. I have opened my Threads account on its main page and you can see that this verified account has a blue tick with the account name. As my account isn't verified, there is no blue tick in front of it. As we know, due to its intimate ties to the Meta platform Instagram, Threads requires users to log into both services using the same account. And every action on Instagram will affect Threads automatically. So if you are not verified on Instagram, you can't get verified on Threads. So let's open an Instagram account. Now open the profile by pressing the profile icon in the bottom right corner. There are two ways to get verified on Threads. One is automatically by followers, the other one is to get verified by payment method. As you can see, I have very few followers. If your followers are in the millions, you will be automatically verified by the app, as many influencers and celebrities are. The other way is a payment method. For this, simply press the three bars in the upper right corner. A menu will appear with different options. What you have to do is just press the third last button, Meta Verified. And you get the menu through which you have to pay a certain amount in dollars for a certain period. As I am in the process of payment method, it will take some days. And I will get verified. So this was the way to get your Threads verified. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, don't hesitate to comment down below. And thank you for watching.